Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying blocking signals, open robots, TXT, and look for disallow rules that match the URL because a single line can stop indexing. Then inspect the page source for meta robots and xrobot stag headers. Remove noindex immediately if present. Also check rel equals canonical on this page and the target it points to. If it canonicalizes elsewhere, change it to the self URL. Once done, save and republish the fixed page so search engines can see the changes. Next, make sure the page is crawlable. Use Search Console's live URL inspection or a crawler to fetch the live response. You need a 200 OK and the expected HTML content. If the page isn't in your sitemap, XML, add it and increment the sitemap version, then resubmit to Search Console so crawlers prioritize it. Also address load time and content type problems, because slow or wrong responses can drop indexing priority. Once these are solid, request indexing and watch for immediate errors. Finish by requesting indexing in Search Console and then monitor the coverage and URL inspection reports for changes. You should see status updates within hours to days. Make sure structured data and mobile rendering are error-free because rich issues can block indexing quality. If the page remains unindexed, review server logs and test crawling with multiple user agents to spot cloaking or blocked bots. Key tip: if nothing works, temporarily publish a minimal version of the page and re-request indexing to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.